What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another beautiful build. This one's nicknamed Sunkissed, is going to Yogi in Florida. Welcome to the family. Eli, take it away.
Okay, here it is guys. Sunkissed. This is actually frame number 72. This is a TSP Cycles Wave 170 frame, which means it has a large rear rim. So on this bike, the rim setup is basically 4 inches in the front and 6 inches in the back. Same setup as Big Ben, and so this one is running same battery setup as Big Ben's upgrade system, and so it's running the front 3000 watt 9 continents motor with the 203 millimeter front disc brake, 4-piston Magura caliper with electric trigger system up here on the handlebar for the regenerative brake system. And then it's got the custom torque plate with built-in brake mount. So it has dual torque plates, one on both sides, to handle the large power that's coming into the front wheel, and to keep everything stable, kind of like a through axle setup. So it gives super stability and lots of control when you're using the throttle. Everything's set up very linear with the programming on the Phase Runner motor controller right here up front. And so then we have a 1000 lumen headlamp. This one's running a bit different with a 12 volt setup with 18650s, and I have it set up so it has clear and orange halo, and then also normal headlamp. So he can run it all sorts of different ways, and the buttons are up here on top. One of them is just color coordinated, and the other one has a dual mode setup for the different color halo. And of course, all self-contained battery, keeping it easy and separated from all the other battery systems, so you can keep everything charged individually, and if anything goes wrong with anything, you know how to diagnose it easily and target the problem and get everything back running. So up front also, it has the high-rise H-bar, which is actually a pretty good riding position for just super chill riding, relaxed, ripping around. Feels really good. This bike is very smooth. These tires are a little bit thicker than a normal bike tire. Obviously they're wider and stuff like that, but the tread is more of like a street tread. So when you're riding around on these tires, it feels very solid, kind of like a motorcycle in a way. So it gives you that good feeling, a little bit different than a bicycle tire. So then we've got the large front sprocket. This is a 60 tooth, and then on the back is a 21. This gives you good gearing for ripping around at normal speeds, and then after that you can use the throttle and keep going and going and going. Top speed is around 80 kilometers per hour. With the regenerative braking, you can stop super fast with the rear coaster brake that we used in the back. This is a 170 rear end, so it's a super wide single speed coaster. And then we've got on the other side here, we've got the automatic brake light, which comes on as you hit the brake, keeping your safety level high, along with the headlight obviously. Back here we've got the largest Brooks seat that's available at this time. Super comfortable, goes in the theme with the bike nicely, and of course one of the best seats on the market. So down here is the special battery. This is only available at Eastman Chop Cycle. We sell all these parts individually and all the mounts for all these frames if you're interested. So this battery is a 14 amp hour 72 volt with a 50 amp BMS with upgraded gauge wiring internally. So when you're using it to disperse higher volumes of power, it comes out very smooth and strong. Also, of course, you're getting more range because it's big. It also has Bluetooth connection for your cell phone, so you can keep an eye on everything that's going on. And under here we have the Eastman Chop Cycle DC to DC converter box. This box shows real-time voltage of the battery, along with external USB port for charging any devices. And on the front side, it has the waterproof rubber button to turn on the underglow LED lighting. So obviously it's a bit bright outside today, but in the dark you'll see some pictures, and lights up quite nicely, matching the orange halo and stuff like that. It has prismatic powders, powder coating, and it has a chrome base to it. So this one has chrome base with orange over, and it gives it that really cool kind of sheen to the orange. Okay, there it is. Thanks for checking it out. We're gonna do some ripping around, and back to Benson.
Okay guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you like this bike, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna do some cinematics in 3, 2, 1.